The Yamaha MotoGP factory team is trying to recover by recruiting Alex Rins. The Spanish racer is optimistic that Yamaha will be able to be more competitive in MotoGP 2024. Rins joined the Japanese factory team after only spending one season with LCR Honda. Rins will team up with Fabio Quartararo to restore Yamaha's competitiveness after being battered last season. Yamaha failed to achieve a single win in a total of 44 races throughout 2023. The tuning fork team's best achievement was only finishing third 3 times, all of which came from Quartararo in the main races in Austin, India and Indonesia. Rins is optimistic that, together with Quartararo, they will improve the motorbike more easily. The reason is, their motorbike for next season was designed for the French racer. We want to help each other in terms of aerodynamics so we can go very fast. You will definitely see a Yamaha that is able to compete, said Rins, quoted from the Marca, Monday, the 1st of January. With Yamaha, Rins will turn over a new page after a disappointing season at LCR. Rins suffered repeated injuries which meant he had to miss 26 races. However, Rins has now recovered. Rins admitted that his injury was getting better. Feeling comfortable as I said earlier, and very confident on this motorbike, added Rins. The 28-year-old racer only finished 19th in the MotoGP test in Valencia last November. Rins will still carry out 2 preseason tests in Sepang and Losail, before starting competitive racing with Yamaha which starts in Qatar in March.